Today, I'm pleased to introduce the SMART-21. IDP is an industry-leading manufacturer of innovative ID card printers. We have a full line of products ranging from an affordable hand-fed printer to a high-capacity, high-volume production system. The SMART-21 offers a proven and reliable design, ideal for entry-level demands with lower budgets. The first thing that you'll notice about the SMART-21 is its unique hopperless design and compact footprint. SMART-21 is very user-friendly, with simple hand-feeding of cards and easy-to-load print ribbons, and boasts fine imaging printing technology, resulting in beautifully printed single-sided ID cards. Easily create card templates and databases using IDP's Smart iDesigner software. The SMART-21 offers many optional features including magnetic striping coating, smart mark security, and ultraviolet printing. The SMART-21 offers industry-leading performance that is backed by our 3-year warranty and award-winning lifetime technical support. Start now. Your business deserves the best.